what if I told you you have more than enough time to do everything that matter most to you? You are not too busy, you are not stuck. You just have not seen your week the right way yet. There are 168 hours in a week. That is 10,080 minutes. And if you think you don't have time for your goal, dream, or passion, this video will change your mindset forever. Based on the eye-opening book by Laura Vanderkam. 168 hours, you have more time than you think. Let's explore how ultra successful people use their time and how you can too. Part 1. The big idea. You are rich in time. Most people think they don't have time. But Laura says the truth is you do have time. You just don't always spend it intentionally. You just don't always spend it intentionally. Each week give you 168 hours. Even if you work 40 hours and sleep 56 hours, 8 hours a night, you still have 72 hours left for everything else. The key is to shift from I am busy to how I am spending my 168 hours. Is it aligned with what matters most to me? Part 2. The mindset shift. Stop logging time. Start owning it. Laura introduced an exercise. Time tracking. Track how you spend every 30 minutes for an entire week. Most people are shocked by how much time they waste on mindless scrolling, TV, disorganized tasks, multitasking, commuting inefficiently. Lesson. Awareness is the first step to change. Once you track your time, you will spot time waster gaps you did not know exist. Moment that can be repurposed for your goal. Part 3. Focus on your core competencies. Laura Golden Principle. Do more of what only you can do best. Ask yourself, what are my core competences? What are the tasks that bring maximum result, joy, or impact? For example, if you are great at writing, write more. If you are best at strategic thinking, delegate the small stuff. If you want more time with family, rearrange to make that the priority. Use your 168 hours to lean into your strength, not get built in chores or obligations that don't serve your bigger purpose. Part 4. Build a time template that reflects your value. Plan your week before it starts. Laura recommends the priority list. First, what matters to me most? Family, health, career, learning. Second, am I spending actual time on those? Third, can I schedule them just like meeting? Start with the big thing first. Block out time for your priorities. Schedule workout, reading, project time, family dinner, just like meeting. Let everything else fill in around them. Don't let urgent but unimportant tasks dominate your time. Focus on important but not urgent goals that shape your future. Part 5. Outsource, automate, eliminate. Vanderkam make a bold point. You don't have to do everything yourself. Ask, can this be automated? Example, bill payment. Can this be delegated or outsourced? Example, house cleaning, grocery delivery. Can this be eliminated? Example, meeting with no purpose. Highly effective people guard their time like money. You can always earn more money, but you cannot earn more hours in your week. Part 6. Use your found time wisely. Vanderkam highlight what she call found time. Moment we did not realize we had. Commute, waiting room, early morning, lunch break. Use these to listen to podcast, read, reflect, plan, learn something new, rest and recharge. Even 10 to 15 minutes consistently add up to massive progress over time. Part 7. Live with intention, not reaction. Most people live in reactive mode, always responding to text, email, ping, call, and demand. But Laura says, be proactive with your time. Ask each week, what do I want to accomplish? What will make me feel proud, fulfilled, peaceful by Friday night? Start living by design, not by default. Don't just survive the week. On your 168-hour to create the life you actually want. Final takeaway. Time is your most valuable currency. You have enough of it if you use it with clarity and purpose. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Just start with one small change this week. Laura left us with this idea. We don't build the life we want by saving time. We build the life we want. And then time save itself. Action step for you. Step 1. Track your time for the next 7 days. Step 2. Identify your top 5 priorities. Step 3. Block time for those in your weekly schedule. Step 4. Eliminate or delegate low value tasks. Step 5. Repeat every week. So you have the same 168 hours as Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey and successful creator you admire. The difference is how you use them. If you feel like time is slipping away, take it back. This book gives you the roadmap. Now it is your turn to walk it. If you found this helpful, and let us know in the comment, how will you spend your next 168 hours? Thank you so much.